Hi, I'm Callie with Callie Collective, and I'm here with your Advisor Marketing Tip of the Day. So today I'm going to show you how to find your top performing content using my tracking tool. But there are two disclaimers here. The first one is we're only looking at your content. We're not looking at all of your marketing. Second disclaimer is that top performing does not mean successful. If your marketing is successful, then you're going to see business growth. So keep that in mind and use that as your lens as you're reviewing your metrics. Metrics meaning the measurements of your content. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk you through how to use this tracking tool. The tracking tool can be found in the FPA Coaches Corner, specifically in digital marketing, or you can get it off of my website at the following link.